Respect starts with you. Self-growth 10. Hello friends, today I will share with you about how respect starts with you. If you want people to respect you, it starts with how you treat yourself. When you take yourself seriously, others will follow. If you respect yourself, people will feel the same and respect you. The same goes for value. People will value you as much as you value yourself. It's all about showing confidence in your actions, words, and decisions. If you want others to take you seriously, start by believing in yourself. Show that you respect your time, thoughts, and boundaries. Stand firm on what you believe in and don't let self-doubt take over. When you do this, others will naturally value you and respect you more. How you treat yourself determines how people will treat you. So start valuing yourself and see how quickly others start doing the same. Why self-respect matters. Self-respect is the foundation of how we allow others to treat us. When you respect yourself, you naturally build confidence. You are more mindful of your words, actions, and decisions. Others sense this confidence and are more likely to respect you in return. Think about this. If you don't take yourself seriously, why would anyone else? Self-respect sends the message that you deserve to be treated with kindness, respect, and fairness. How to show self-respect? Showing self-respect means making choices that honor your worth and dignity. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries means saying no when you need to and not letting others take advantage of your time and energy. You can't always do everything for everyone, and that's okay. By setting boundaries, you are showing others that you respect yourself and your needs. This helps you stay balanced and focus on what's important to you. Boundaries are about protecting your well-being, and when you respect yourself, others will respect you too. Dear friends, you can see my video, Power of Saying No. Speak kindly to yourself. The way you talk to yourself is important. When you make a mistake, avoid being too hard on yourself. Instead, be kind and understanding, just like you would with a friend. Say positive things to yourself like I am doing my best or I can improve. When you treat yourself well, it helps you feel better and build confidence. Self-kindness improves your mood and helps you stay strong even when things are tough. Taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself means taking care of both your body and mind. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly to feel strong and happy. When you take care of your physical health, you feel better emotionally too. Feeling good on the inside helps you feel more confident and ready for challenges. Self-care is a way to show respect for yourself and your well-being. Making time for yourself. Making time for the things you enjoy is important. Doing activities that make you happy, such as reading, drawing, or playing, helps you feel relaxed and joyful. Don't feel guilty about taking time for yourself. It's a way to show that your happiness matters. When you make time to do what you love, you feel more balanced and energized, which helps you perform at your best for others too. How others will follow. When you start respecting yourself, you will notice a difference in how people treat you. They will sense your confidence and start taking you more seriously. Here is how. They respect your boundaries. When you set clear boundaries, people will understand what kind of behavior you expect. This shows that you value yourself and will not tolerate disrespect. They value your time. If you don't let others waste your time, they will recognize that you take your time seriously. As a result, they will be more considerate about how they interact with you. They take you seriously. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, others will see you as a person deserving of respect. They will value your ideas, opinions, and contributions. Building self-confidence. Self-esteem and confidence go hand in hand. If you want people to respect you, You need to show confidence in your actions. Confidence doesn't mean being perfect or never making mistakes. It simply means believing in yourself even when things are tough. Here are some simple ways to build confidence. Celebrate your wins. It's important to celebrate your accomplishments, even small ones. When you finish a task or reach a goal, take a moment to feel proud of yourself. Celebrate your achievements to remember your strengths and build your confidence. Whether it's doing well on a project or learning something new, every success counts. These celebrations keep you motivated and help you feel good about your progress. Learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes and that's okay. Instead of feeling bad, look at mistakes as a chance to learn and grow. When something goes wrong, think about what you can do better next time. This positive reinforcement makes you stronger and more confident. Learning from mistakes makes you smarter and prepares you for future challenges. And it helps you move forward without being too hard on yourself. Practice positive self-talk. The way you speak to yourself can influence your mood. So try to be positive and supportive. Instead of thinking negative thoughts, try saying positive things such as I can do this or I am proud of what I have done. Positive self-talk helps you believe in yourself and stay motivated. When you focus on the good things, it changes your mindset and makes you feel stronger and more confident in what you can achieve. Value yourself first. People will value you as much as you value yourself. If you don't show others that you believe in your worth, they will not either. Here is how to start valuing yourself. Know your strengths. Take time to think about what you are good at and what makes you special. This could be a skill, a talent, or a positive trait. Remembering your strengths can help you feel more confident about what you can do. Recognizing your unique abilities helps you understand your worth and boost your self-esteem. Celebrate what makes you unique and use these strengths to achieve your goals. Be proud of who you are. You don't have to change yourself to gain respect. Embrace what makes you different and be proud of yourself. Everyone has their own qualities and it's important to stay true to yourself. When you accept and love yourself, you show confidence and self-esteem. Remember, you are valuable just the way you are and being yourself is enough. Stop comparing yourself. It's easy to look at others and feel like you are not up to par. But everyone has their own path in life. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own journey and what you have achieved. This approach keeps you motivated and proud of your own progress. Recognize that your journey is unique and that you are making your own progress. By focusing on your personal growth, you will feel better about yourself and appreciate your own path. Taking action. Respecting yourself takes time, but small steps can make a big difference. To get started, set your intentions by choosing one small action each day that shows you respect yourself. This could be something simple like saying no when you need to, taking a break to care for yourself, or doing something that makes you happy. By making these small commitments every day, you create good habits that help you feel better about yourself. Over time, these small actions add up and lead to big changes in the way you view and respect yourself. The world is showing you how you are treating yourself. The way other people treat you reflects how you treat yourself. If you respect yourself and value yourself, people will do the same. If you don't, they may not respect you either. So, to gain respect from others, start valuing your time, feelings, and needs. Set clear boundaries and be firm on your worth. By showing confidence and self-care, you set the standard for others on how they should treat you. It all starts with you. Take yourself seriously and others will follow. I hope you like this video and have understood how respect starts with you. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling, stay positive and enjoy every moment. Thank you.